Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Grand Combat Daily Combo for October 1 and 2, 2024. Okay, the first card we see this one. See, Network Integration. Okay, this is the first one. Okay, and then for the second one, go to legal section and find the card is this one. See, Forbes Interview. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, and then for the last one, we just go to tech section and then find the core, which is this one. See, stable coin launch. Okay, this is the third one. There we go. Today, I received 3 million grand coins. Okay, let's claim. Okay, this is the best 3 card for Grand Combat in October.